This is Dr. Howald, and I'm going to help you with this problem. The first part says how many 1/2s are in 2. So the way we're going to think about this is we actually have a fraction visual page. So I'm going to scroll down and show you mine. And you should have a copy of this. If you don't have a copy of it, then ask me in class and I can get you one, because this is really helpful for picturing some of these fraction division type problems we're going to be doing. So this first one says how many 1/2s are in 2. So the way that this fraction visual works is this entire block is 1. So you see how the 1 is broken into these two parts where each one is 1/2? Well, that means that in 2, how many of those 1/2 blocks do we have total? We have 4 of them. So the answer to the question of how many 1/2s are in 2, there are 4. Now let's think about how many 1/5s are in 3. So let's look down here. In one whole, how many 1/5s do I have? Here are my fifths. I have 5 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 2 wholes, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So far I have 10, because I have 2 holes and each hole has 5 of these 1/5s in it. But the question is, how many 1/5s are in 3? So how many would I have in 3? I would have 5, 10, 15. So the answer to the question, how many 1/5s are in 3? That's going to be 15. Now, how many 1/8s are in 1 and 1/4? Okay, so we're wondering about 1 and 1/4. What I'm going to do is go ahead and shade in 1/4 over here. So here's my 1/4, and then I have a full 1 over here. So I'll just sort of shade enough to get the point across. Okay, so now let's look at this portion, and let's see how many 8s fit in all of that. So where are my 8s? Down here. So go ahead, count. Pause the video and count how many 1/8s you think are in 1 and 1/4. So we're going all the way up to here. Well, we have 8 in the whole part, and then we have 2 more for the 1/4. So total we have 8 plus 2, which is 10. So how many 8s are in 1 and 1/4? That would be 10. So thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.